Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. Just a quick unboxing today. So this is a Pagani design that I ordered from the recent Aliexpress sale. I think it was called the Love Sale or something like that. It finished at the end of January. I think that was so you can get your goods in time for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to take this as a little Valentine's present to myself. And I ordered this. It was the Pagani Design PD-1662. Yep. 1662, a GMT. I ordered it in, I've not got GMT, so it's my first GMT, and there's lots of different versions of this particular watch, and I will put some up on the screen in a little bit, but I went with the Batman. So nice flip over, oh, magnetic box. Oh, and there we go. Oh, and there we go straight away. Nice little Pagani Design cloth. Now I went for the one on the Jubilee bracelet, Jubilee style bracelet. Move the box out of the way. The box is very nice actually. There's a tag in the bottom I can see there. Don't see any instructions. Oh yes, they're just down the, I see the, oh, I'm knocking the camera. The instructions are just down the side there, and I will need to take a look. So this is the Batman version. That blue is really nice and bright. I really like that. So 40mm watch. It's a 20mm band, sapphire crystal, nice and clicky. I like it. Let's just bring it a bit closer in. Let's turn all that round. Nice cyclops. Oh, it's a screw down crown as well. Didn't realise that. So yeah, screw down crown as well. Now, I live in the GMT time zone, so I'm not going to be using the GMT for that. Oh, there we go. So that's how you do the GMT. I'll have to find out the time for New York or something for that. If I go in one, well, that's a wind. Well, I'm going to have to work out how to change the time on it. I have to have a quick read of the instructions. As I say, nice Jubilee bracelet. Some nice packaging just on here. Let me peel that off. There we go, looks good. Pagani Design. Display case back, is it? Yeah. Now I'm not sure which movement it is, because I've got a feeling that there's a version 1 and a version 2. I think the version 1 has the pearl movement. I think the version 2 has the Seiko NH34, is it? I will have to have a double check on what I ordered. There we go, and there's the case back. Looks really good. What we got, stainless steel, water resistant, 100 meters, Pagani Design. Yeah, really like it. Let me just get it onto wrist. Let me just pause this. Right, so here it is on wrist. It took me a little bit of time just to get all the packaging off. It was well packaged. And then it took me a little bit of time just to set it up. The crown was very stiff, but it seems to have worn loose now. I think it just needed doing for the first time. I may have to take a little link or two out of the bracelet, because it is a little loose on me, which is great, 8-inch wrist and all that, so I'm really pleased that it's got the ability to do that. Now, there's no pushers on this. It took me a little bit of time to get the clasp off as well, but I got there in the end. There's no security pushers on it. But yeah, love it. Going to wear it over the next few days and try and get a review out. I'll put a link in the description below. And thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Thanks.